Hi friends, welcome to the Car and Journey Admirer. Today we are going to discuss some of the not known facts about Rimac Automobili. Enjoy this first, then we will talk about it. So friends, I hope you all are doing good and enjoying your life to the sky high. Now let's talk about Rimac Nevera. This is an all-electric sports car designed and manufactured by Croatian automotive manufacturer Rimac Automobili. Nevera is Croatian word which means quick, sudden and mighty storms. This is fastest electric car in the world. Nevera's production is limited to 150 units only, out of which 50 units had been delivered up to May 2024. It takes exactly 1 week to completely manufacture 1 unit of Rimac Nevera. The facts now I'm going to share with you are surely going to make you stand still. Its engine produces 1914 horsepower. Let's understand with the help of an example. Our own Tata Harrier produces 170 horsepower. If we calculate mathematically, then we need 11 Tata Harriers to pull this down. So this is amount of power Rimac Nevera has kept under its hood. Similarly, it gives torque of 2340 Newton meter. Let's talk about acceleration. 0 to 100 can be done in 1.81 seconds and 0 to 300 can be done in 9.22 seconds. The amount of time which I took to inform you these specs, this car would have already been past these distances. Battery capacity of this vehicle is 120 kilowatt, which gives a range of 490 kilometers on the basis of worldwide harmonized light vehicles test procedure. This is nothing but European set of standards. 80% of battery can be charged in 30 minutes. Moreover, this vehicle comes with level 4 ADAS also. Now first thing first, aren't you excited to check what's the maximum speed clocked by this car? See yourself.
When you're traveling speeds above 360 kilometers an hour, you're basically traveling.
What exactly they have done to achieve this high speed? This was possible only because of extraordinary technology and exceptional engineering. Let's discuss this further. So they have adopted a philosophy of 4 wheels, 4 motors, and 4 single-speed gearboxes, which means for every individual wheel they have separate motor and separate gearbox which regulates power and torque as demanded by driver. If this was not enough for you to feel thrilled, then allow me one more attempt. Let's have a look on this master stroke.
This year we broke lots of records going forward, so we wanted to try something different.
I can now confirm that here today, Goran managed a total speed in reverse of 275.74 kilometers per hour. It therefore gives me great pleasure to officially recognise a new Guinness World Records title. On behalf of Guinness World Records, congratulations, you are officially amazing.
Usually our normal cars have a reverse speed between 30 to 50 km per hour, whereas Rimac Nevera has clocked 275 km per hour in reverse gear, which is even more than our top gear forward speeds, which is usually 160 to 220 km per hour. Isn't it amazing? I know many of us got excited to park this beast in your garage, so let's discuss pricing of this car. Estimated cost for this vehicle is 2.2 million US dollars, which translates into 17.60 crore rupees. I hope you enjoyed this video, so stay tuned for more valuable content. That's it guys, signing off. Thank you.
Some, a few, are prepared to face it. This storm is not for everyone. But what about you? Are you ready to embrace it? Would you dare to drive it? Dare to feel Nevera.